Good morning, Tuetam. Good morning, Coro. Have a great day. You too.
Woohoo! This is so much fun!
Hi, everyone.
Look at you go, Coro!
Watch this, Tuetam.
You're doing amazing, yay!
Oh no, Coro! Whoa, what was that? Oh, Coro, look out! Oh, no! Oh, no! No! Oh, no!
Oh, no! No! Watch out! I'm okay. You're safe.
Ow, ow. Ow, ow. Oh, my leg hurts so bad. Don't worry, Coro. I'll help you. I don't know what to do. It's okay, I'm here.
Elle, are you okay?
Keep going, Coro.
I know we can do it, Tuetam. Come on, I've got you. Thank you, friend.
Come on, Coro, you can do it. Arf.
Okay, Tuetam, here I go. That's it, you're doing great.
Arf.
I did it.
I promise, everything will be all right, Tuetam.
You promise?
Yes, I do.
I do.
Let's go.
Almost there, Coro.
I see it, Tuetam. Just a little further. Time for our checkup. Happy day. Come on in. It's safe now.
Thanks, Tuetam. I'm a bit nervous.
Well, hello there, Coro and Tuetam. Aren't you two looking extra bright today?
All right, Coro, almost done. It's just a sprain.
Look at Coro's leg. Is he okay?
Yes, just a bandage and rest.
Hey, are you okay?
Yes, I'm just a little scared.
It's okay. I'm here. All right, just a little tape. You're doing great. That's better. All done.
The dog will be just fine.
Oh, thank goodness.
Thank you, Doctor.
Yes, thank you.
Time to go home. Best day ever.
Almost there, Coro.
Thanks, Tuetam. Just a little further. I'm ready.
We're finally home.
It's so cozy. Welcome in, Coro. Thanks, Tuetam. It's so nice and warm inside. Let's cook something delicious, Coro. Okay, Tuetam, I'm ready. Wonderful. Keep it up.
Almost done, hon.
Wonderful. It smells amazing.
Taste this. Oh, you're so funny.
No, really.
Okay, maybe later.
Oh, it's so good.
Good job.
Here's some soup, Coro.
Thank you, Tuetam. This is perfect. Is it cool enough yet?
Eat up, Coro. Thanks, Tuetam. This is the best. Almost done.
Looking good, Tuetam.
La la la. Nice. Nice. Thanks. Good job. The laundry is almost done.
Looking good, partner.
I think these roses and daisies look perfect here.
They're beautiful, Tuetam.
Thank you.
I never thought. I know. I'm here for you.
Thank you so much, Tuetam. That means a lot. Yeah.
You're welcome, Coro. Anything for a friend.
Chuckling noises, laughter. Soft laugh.
Here, let me help you. Thank you.
Up you go.
Got it.
Got it. Thank you. You're doing great, Coro. Just a little further.
I can do this.
Yes, you can. Amazing job.
We did it. Blah, 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 blah. You can do it. Maybe I can. Yes, you can. I can. You did it. I did it. Time to make it shine. You got the front, I got the back. Teamwork makes the dream work. Perfect.
Almost there. Just one more turn.
You got this, Coro.
There. It's fixed. Yay, we did it.
Look at it now, Coro. It's perfect, Tuetam. Ready to ride.
Now, Coro, be careful this time.
Don't worry, Tuetam. I got this.
I promise, with all my heart, I'll protect this forest. Hooray!
The perfect day for an adventure. Yes, it's beautiful.
Thank you again, Tuetam. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome, Coro. It was my pleasure.
Hi there,
there, partner. We're so glad to see you.
Yes, we are. Hooray! Thanks for coming.